What's up? It's Savon. Denver BMWs, boss fights, bad ideas turn content. You know how it goes. If you've been around for the streaming stuff, you know I've been rebuilding my setup piece by piece. The camera sorted, the Mini Mic Pro's been holding it down for mobile clips, but my desk mic needed a real upgrade. So I grabbed the Fifine A6T and paired it with the AM8 arm. Oh, real talk. My old mic setup was doing the bare minimum. Fine for quick TikToks, not fine for full YouTube uploads where you're actually trying to sound like a person and not a Discord call from 2015. Between streaming 007 First Light, Battlefield Red Set, and the BMW content, I needed something that could keep up across all of it. Gaming commentary, talking head, lifestyle stuff, all of it. So the A6T is Fifine's condenser mic, USB plug and play. No interface needed, which honestly is clutch. It is a cardioid pattern, so it's picking up what's directly in front of it and rejecting the room noise. Good for streaming, good for gaming commentary. Touch mute on the top, gain knob, comes with the pop filter and shock mount in the box. For what this costs, it's punching above its price point. It's not gonna out-crisp a $150 mic, but for content that's going on YouTube and TikTok and not a podcast studio, it's more than enough. Now the AM8 arm is what actually fixed my setup. 360-degree rotation, dual suspension spring so it's not picking up every desk bump or keyboard smack, and it extends out far enough that I can actually get the mic where I need it instead of fighting a stand that's too short or too stiff. Seat clamp mounts clean on the desk. Cable sleeve keeps it from looking like a rat's nest behind the monitor, which matters when half my content is of the setup itself. So if you're at the stage I was at, outgrowing your starter mic but not trying to drop $200 yet, the A6T and the AM8 combo is a real upgrade for the price. I bought this one myself, no sponsor, just needed better audio for where the channel is headed. And that is going to be the setup update. The new mic's locked in. Next up, I'm probably tackling either a new camera, lighting, whatever you guys want me to review that I can definitely upgrade the gaming studio with. Catch me live on Twitch and Kick. The links will be below. Denver, BMWs, boss fights, and bad ideas. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.